Hey guys, Christian Hudson here, and today I've got a tip for any single guy out there who's got a girl who's kind of ghosted on him or flaked or put him in the friend zone. Basically, if you're feeling like there's a girl who you want to have a relationship with or move forward with, and she's not feeling the same way, then this is for you. I've actually recorded quite a long video about this on the next page, and you'll check that out eventually. But I want to give you a few tips just right here and right now. You can recover from this situation. I want to let you know that for sure. You can definitely recover from this situation. It's not hard, but there's just a number of steps that you have to go through in order to sort of reset her impression of you, reset the relationship, and really swing I don't want to call it the balance of power, but just swing the way she thinks about you. Because right now she's like, oh, this guy's not good enough, or I don't want to be with him, or he's just a friend. So you've got to totally reset that impression, and that's what I'm going to talk about in the next video. The thing that we'll start with here is an understanding that neediness is your enemy and space is your friend. So let's talk about that really quickly. Neediness is that feeling that you get inside of you that says, oh, like I just really want to be with her, or my life would be so complete without her, or with her, excuse me, or how amazing would things be if we were together, or she doesn't know how great I am for her. Like all these stories that you tell yourself. That's just your neediness welling up, and that is your enemy. It's going to make you express yourself over emotionally in a way that is unattractive for her, and it's going to actually push her away. So what do you need instead? You need space. Space is your friend, and there have been so many nights when I have been lying alone in bed wishing that a girl was next to me and thinking like, oh, I just wish I could text this girl. But you got to stay strong in those moments. You got to let her have her space, because when you do let her have her space, that's the first step to resetting the relationship. So that's kind of the first bit of it. Again, there's a lot of steps here, but I cover them all in the next video. So you want to just kind of clear some mental space for that, and I'll walk you through them all. It's linked somewhere around here. I don't know where it is, but click on over to the next video. I'll tell you all about that. And I'm also going to actually share a little bit of my story. I grew up really shy, socially anxious, just like girls didn't like me. I had my first kiss when I was 17. And turned things around and had a really, really epic single life. And these days, I'm very happily married. So got a lot to share with you. Really excited to put this wisdom out in the world. Click on over to wherever it is, and I will see you over there.